In this tutorial, I will explain how to create a minimal paper effect in Adobe Photoshop. Using this method, you can create beautiful cards, banners, and more. So, let's get started. Import the image you want to apply the paper effect to. Import any logo and text layer in which you want paper effect as shown in the video. Select the Instagram logo layer. Then double-click on the layer to open the layer style. Choose blending options, then under advanced blending, set the fill opacity to 10%. Select bevel and emboss and adjust the settings as demonstrated in the video. Next, choose inner shadow and set the values as shown in the video. Click the plus icon in inner shadow to add another inner shadow, and configure the settings as per the video. If you have any questions regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comments section. Additionally, add a drop shadow and adjust the values as illustrated in the video. Then click OK. Now, to apply the same effect to the text layer, right-click on the logo layer and select Copy Layer Style. Select the Instagram text layer, right-click on the text layer and choose Paste Layer Style. And there you have it, the paper effect is ready in Photoshop. If you use the black Instagram logo, you'll create a single color paper effect. However, using the Instagram gradient logo allows you to produce a colorful paper effect. If you like my video, hit like, subscribe and press the bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description box. You can also watch other tutorials on my channel.